Hi, it's Mark from Aquavista Boat Sales, and today I'm going to introduce you to reverse layout cruiser stern 57-foot narrowboat Lazy Jayne, which is an absolute turnkey boat. The owners have left the air fryer, there's the soundbar for the television, everything ready to go, basically just to move on. So good sized galley, nice worktop space. There's a freestanding full-size oven, so full burner hob, full-size oven for cooking. Moving forwards, there's breakfast bar with a washing machine underneath. It's a really good livable boat. And then moving into the saloon, nice comfortable electric reclining sofa and huge great big stove, beautiful stove with coal bucket and companion set. Moving through to generous size shower room, which has got really stylish countertop wash basin, pump out toilet and a lovely size shower cubicle. And moving through to the bedroom, which has good storage with wardrobe space, drawers, underbed storage, eye level lockers and another television. If you'd like to come and have a look, give us a call or send us an email. Lazy Jayne is fitted with a 43 horsepower canaline inboard diesel engine, which starts on turn of the key.